You looking for me?
What?
You wanted the picture?
He does
You
it in New
wanted
York
the picture?
too, where no one wants to talk to anybody.
Yeah.
Is that the one?
His Dice Clay's his Instagram is performance art. And
That
people
is.
they don't appreciate it because performance art is snobby. And you think like you have to be left leaning, liberal, super fucking progressive, like that's the only way you can have performance art. But no, what Andrew Dice Clay is doing, some of the best,
That's the funniest thing on Instagram.
wild
dude.
performance
The
art.
hat, the king's
I saw
hat.
this one. The King's hat.
The hat,
What about the hat?
my hat, the king's hat.
Good.
No, but I'm saying I could see that you're a
No,
fan.
we're talking about my coworker.
Oh no, if you wanted a picture, I would, I would take it.
I see that. Picture.
No, you wanted the picture with me?
No?
Yes,
You,
no?
you want me to take you a picture?
No, I thought you were a big fan and wanted.
I'm just a simple person.
All right.
All right?
I just said the king's hat, and I haven't even worn it in 4 years. All right, take care.
He does this to so many unsuspecting people.
First
It's
of all, is this
fucking
even
hilarious.
legal?
Wait, did you see the one
Is
with
this
Matt?
even
Should not
legal?
be.
Did you see the
It's-
one with Matt Damon?
No.
No.
He just got Matt Damon.
He got Matt Damon?
Get Matt Damon.
No,
Matt
he
Damon.
didn't. No,
Matt
he
Damon's
didn't.
at the fucking airport,
No.
having a beer and
No.
a burger.
No.
And he goes,
I'm getting
It's-
anxiety.
You just got to see it. It's so fucking good.
It does.
It's
it fills
so
you with
fucking
anxiety.
good. It's so, and Matt Damon is the sweetest animal alive. He just looks at him like, huh? And by the way, Matt Damon's at fucking LAX in Delta, just having a burger and a beer like a regular fucking dude. Like, he is just hanging out. You got to find the video.
He seems like a very normal guy.
But he's like, this is why I don't
Yeah.
do this.
I've
This
only
is it.
had a
This is it.
couple interactions
I think
with
that's
him.
fucking
This
Southwest.
He's
isn't
really
even
cool.
the lounge.
No, it's not a lounge.
Right.
His face with the glasses.
The picture? The picture? With the face?
Matt Damon has no fucking idea.
He has no idea.
He has no fucking idea.
Now here's the question: is that legal?
Sort of, but it
Sure.
should not
Yeah.
be.
I
But is
think-
that legal? You could just take some guy who's working in an upholstery shop.
Yeah.
And Andrew Dice Clay is like, you wanted the picture?
He does it.
picture?
Well, here's the thing.
And
He
this
does it on
fucking
street
guy-
corners a lot. So,
Yeah.
like, you're in public, right? And if you're in public, you can be filmed. Yeah,
Which is
there are-
also wild.
Which is
Which is
wild.
insane.
It's
Yeah.
kind of wild. And you
Yeah.
could be filmed against your knowledge.
Yeah.
I
It's
love
kinda
my
wild.
favorite is when those young white kids do it to just black dudes, and then they're like, "Hey, did you want me to kiss me on the lips?" And the guy goes, "No, you're talking to the wrong motherfucker."
Yeah.
And he's like, "In a second," and then he just jaws the dude and knocks him unconscious, and you're like, "That's
There's a bunch of those that
even
go sideways that are
a
stupid.
bunch.
It's like, at least you got it.
They're not
yeah.
really
Yeah.
thought out. Or there's the fart prank. You know, like there's people that do.
Fart in elevators?
Oh, they'll fart like in public, but they'll go to like the hood and then like walk up where people are hanging out and then just fart, and you see black people be like, nah, and like get up and like chase you. Like it's because it's like you're trying to elicit this.
Do you remember Kentucky Fried
reaction
Movie?
that's-
Yeah. It's
Remember
very
Kentucky Fried Movie
dangerous.
that-
It's super dangerous to do that.
Yeah, it's
super
very,
dangerous.
very dangerous. Just because they don't know that you're doing a
Yeah.
prank. Like
No.
they think you're a crazy person,
And they think you
they
came
can get
over.
stabbed. If someone's that nuts, they just get right in your face out of nowhere with some goofy thing to say.
And
like,
if you're doing the fart one, they think you're you're coming over
Right.
to where
put 'em
people
in
are
place.
just to fart on
Yeah.
someone.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it doesn't go well.
And they're like,
No.
no, it's for a prank for my YouTube.
They're
And
like,
you're
huh?
who's?
What are
Yeah.
you talking about?
you just pick the wrong people, and they just instantly go into violence.
Did you see the fucking guy? Oh my God, this is in Europe, where his prank was he pours liquefied dog shit on people.
Oh
Like,
my God.
yeah. He just got arrested. So you're
Oh
like
my
you're on the
God.
subway, and he has a bucket
Oh, no.
of dog shit that he's put in the bucket and put water in,
Oh my God!
and then
You
he
gotta
dumps
get
it on
arrested.
people.
He dumps it on their heads.
Just
yeah,
kill him.
Yeah, dude.
Execute
YouTuber
this guy.
arrested for throwing bucket of poo on train passengers.
He's done it many times, like
And
several
he's
times.
filming. He's got just
Oh my
Prankster
God!
was arrested.
Oh, fuck this
It's
guy.
super insane.
Oh my
That's
God!
a bucket
what
of shit.
Psychopath!
Yeah, and then he's just like,
What a psychopath! He just dumps a bucket of shit on this guy's back.
Belgium have had enough of this crap. Not well played.
and that's an easy way to be dead.
Yeah.
Oh
right. You do
my
that to the
God.
wrong person.
They'll throw you in front of the train.
Any
track.
person.
That is so
Well, but especially,
crazy.
like-
Yeah, there's a lot of people
that
that.
is so crazy.
It's totally
he just
insane.
dumped it on that guy's neck.
Yeah.
It feels
Down
like
his
water for a
back.
second, and then you got to realize.
Oh, just shit all over you.
Shit
You're
all
hours
over
from
you?
home.
Look at that little black chick going, what? She's like, I'm going to be a prankster.
It's insane. This is the most insane thing I've seen.
What?
But that is like he's not being charged with assault, battery,
Yeah,
like
I hope.
Well, I think it's like a bioterrorism too. There's something
Yeah.
weird, like human shit falls into a weird category.
Yeah,
That's
spitting on
super-
someone is
super
almost like
toxic.
hitting them.
Yeah.
It's like they have to. Somebody. There was a guy in New York who was rubbing shit in people's faces in the subways.
Really?
Yeah, just coming behind him with pickup dog shit and then just rubbing on people. And
Dude, Native Americans used to dip their arrowheads in shit just to ensure that you'd be infected.
Yeah.
we got to
Wow.
take care of that.
Yeah, to poison people when you get hit.
right, because immediately
Yeah,
infection
you're
would
getting
start.
you're getting infected. They
Ew, but
they
then your
knew
whole
about
thing
that.
smells
Like
like-
shit is what caused all the plagues.
Yeah.
So it caused all the plagues.
We saw that guy that would shit in his hand.
Tom and I have an offer out to Mark Cuban to rub shit on our faces for $1.75 million.
his shit.
Our shit.
no.
We
Your
will
shit.
Hold on, Tom.
You shit.
Do
He
you want a
rubs
picture?
on
Do you
your
want-
face
No, no.
barehanded.
He's no. Now listen, we're hoping that Elon hears this and then ups the ante and says, "Mark, if you shit on your face, I'll give another 1.75." But yeah, Tom's fans of this guy that shits on his face.
Wait a minute. There's a guy that you're a fan of that
Oh,
shits on his face.
Tom loves it.
Wait a minute.
Yeah.
There's this guy.
Jesus Christ.
Let Tom
There's this guy
explain.
that will like he'll do like a birthday wish naked. He just stands there naked and then he flops his dick around. But if you pay him more, he'll shit in his hand.
You're not going to believe this. It's actually worse when you see it.
It's pretty bad. It's pretty bad. That's naked Martin.
Oh my God. It's worse when you see it.
It's pretty
It's so bad, Joe. Joe, you haven't even heard the worst. Oh, Joe, you got a surprise coming
Yeah,
your
you got a
way.
surprise.
You got a surprise
What?
coming your way.
What happens?
Don't worry, Joe. You'll get it.
Am I gonna have to watch this?
Oh, you'll get it.
Get to it.
There he is.
Oh, are you gonna make me watch this?
What? He looks just like you.
Do the one with the oranges,
When
Tom,
I do your
please.
mom's house, dude, I had a really hard time not throwing up.
His
There was
therapist.
multiple times I had to look away. Oh, Jesus.
This guy looks like old Joe.
If you go to his
Naked
his
Martin.
Twitter, you might be able to find it, Jamie.
nakedmartin.co.uk. Is that what it is? Just for the folks at home.
This is if you want to book a video.
Oh my
Yeah.
God. Why is his torso
Folks, if
so
you
small?
want to get yourself a video,
But usually this
the
stuff.
gentleman is Naked Martin.
Yeah.
Martin. Naked
Nice-
Martin.
Got a nice piece.
And
on it.
Naked, Naked
nice
Martin is just, it's all about showing his hog. Which, by the way, is.
No.
By the way,
Stop.
hold on.
How did
stop.
he do that? The guy's magic? He's magic?
Reverse video.
Yeah, it's a reverse.
By the way, that's a promo video I would have done in a fucking
yeah.
heartbeat.
Can I
Sell
just,
some fucking
can I
tickets.
just pause to point something out here? How wild is Twitter?
Twitter
You
lets
can
everything.
have full porn on Twitter.